Let's quickly look at all of the inhibition types that can come up on the MCAT. And if you like this content, check out the links in my bio to the self-paced course or the MCAT Mastery Program. Both of those give you access to over 500 pages of the highest yield MCAT content just like this. First, we have competitive inhibition, and your graph is going to look like this. The Vmax, whether you're looking at the inhibitor line or the no inhibitor line, the Vmax can still be achieved either way. So Vmax is unchanged for competitive inhibition. Make sure you're really good at finding the Km. So here we see that the Vmax is 50, so that means that half of the Vmax is 25. 25 is not the Km. The Km is the substrate concentration on the x-axis that gives you half of Vmax. So we need to go from 25, draw a line over until we hit our curve, and then draw a line down. So for the no inhibitor line, the Km looks like it's about 15. For the inhibitor line, the Km looks like it's about 30. So the Km went up. So for competitive inhibition, the Vmax stays the same, but the Km increases. Now let's look at uncompetitive inhibition. For this one, you can see that the Vmax goes down when the inhibitor is present. But if you go and look at the Km for both of these, if you were to find them individually, you would find that the Km is decreased for the uncompetitive inhibitor. Now for non-competitive inhibition, what I always tell people to do is to think of this as a combination of competitive and uncompetitive. The Vmax is lowered, just like we saw in uncompetitive, but the Km stays the same. If you were to find half of Vmax for the no inhibitor line, you'd end up with 25, draw your line over, the substrate concentration that gives that is about 15. The Vmax for the inhibitor is about 40, half of that is 20, draw your line over, and then again, the substrate concentration is about 15, that gives you that 20 on the y-axis. Now for mixed inhibition.